Hey there everyone, how's everyone doing today? I'm Will, and we're going to be talking and taking a look and unboxing the Seiko PADI SPB071. I'm really excited to see this watch. I've seen it online, really cool looking watch from the photos I've seen, but it'd be nice to see it on video and in person. Let's take a look. So there's your instruction booklet, warranty card, everything on the outside box there. And here we go, one of the Seiko luxury boxes, and oh man, look at that dial. Whew. Look at the way that gradient goes from that dark, the black into the blue. This is really nice. Very cool. Dark blue strap is cool. I don't know. A black strap might be a little more fitting, but the blue kind of, fits in with that blue in the bezel and the blue on the face. Very cool, but I can't get over this face. Markers, everything looks really sharp in this watch. Yeah, there you go. What's cool is the idea of this watch. This watch is a contemporary reinterpretation of the original 1965 Seiko diver's watch. So they took that diver's watch and redesigned it a little bit, made it more modern, and so they have this new hybrid or new fusion, and it gives you a really cool look, something really different. You see a lot of the heritage stuff where watch companies are reissuing and redoing their older watches. Seiko, of course, is doing that a lot. You've got the Captain Willard, and of course the 1965 that they redid too. But here they decided to go the next level, change it up a little bit. So it's not a close copy to it, but it's kind of like a new fusion of the watch, a new vision. Now this is, of course, a Seiko Prospect, so it's a professional Seiko dive watch. That's why you got the PADI logo in the middle there. But what's nice about it is this face pretty much tells you what this watch does. You can see it's like going down in the deep. It's just striking to look at. One of the best gradients I've seen on a watch, and the little details like putting that little blue rim on the bezel, just it brings it all together. And you would think that the red would contrast a little bit with it, especially with that type of gradient dial, but they still keep it, making it look good. And here you can see it on my wrist. My wrist size is about a 7.5 inch wrist. This is, of course, an automatic watch. It's 23 jewel, and the crystal is a sapphire crystal. Now the case diameter on this guy is 42.6 millimeters. So for me, it's a great watch when it comes to size and everything. Not too big, not too small. I really like it. It feels good. And check out the lume on this guy. It is freaking nice. Yep. And I love the different colors you got on there. That two different colors of the lume. Okay, this watch does have a screw-down crown and a screw-down case back because it is a dive watch, and that sapphire crystal has a inner coating on it, anti-reflective coating. Thanks guys, have a good one.